What is going on, everybody? Ryan's Aviation here again with another little unboxing and review of GeminiJets model. This one is the JetBlue A220-300. So this is a 2023 release. There's the back. 2023 release. There's a plane. So I've been trying to get more JetBlue so I can remake Philly. I know they don't have a ton of JetBlue, but I know they do get some. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is a pretty small model, actually. Here we go. So off the bat, I noticed that it feels like one of the horizontal stabilizers feels a little loose. So that's interesting. But besides that, the model seems to be intact and well. Sorry if that was out of focus. Nose gear is a little high compared to the real plane, but it's not too bad. This is a pretty solid model, I'd say. The nose might be a little pointy, too pointy as well, but overall this is a fantastic looking model. Detail is exceptional. So you can see it's the Dreaming of Blue. Where is it? Dreaming of a Blue Era. JetBlue. And then the JetBlue tail. And then I think there's a little hair on that. Trying to get it. There we go. Airbus. It's a little scuffed up, actually, now that I'm looking at it. I think that's, yeah. Something's a little messed up there, but it's fine. Airbus A220-300. Registration. The Wi-Fi dome. And then this horizontal stabilizer is a little loose. Can you guys see that? It's a little loose, but as long as no one's touching it too forcefully, should be fine. So yeah, overall, it's a really nice model. If you're looking to get this for your collection, I would recommend picking it up. It's a really nice model. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.